Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to write instructions for your AI agent. We will stay inside Crisp and I will show you exactly what to do step by step. So here, once you are inside your Crisp app, go to your AI agent, then Guidance, and click on Instructions. This is where you define how your AI behaves. Everything you had here will directly impact how Hugo responds to your users. And before we start to editing anything, there is one thing which is very important to understand. Instructions are not here to store information. They don't define your pricing, your product or your policies. They define how your AI behaves. So instructions is for your behavior and training is for your knowledge. If you mix both, your AI won't perform well. So here in the Crisp workspace, as you can see, instructions are organized into groups. Groups help you to structure your setup. For example, one group for general behavior or one for specific situations. And this makes everything easier to manage. If I can give you a quick tip here, keep your groups simple and focused. Avoid mixing too many different things in the same group. Inside these groups, you will define different types of instructions, and you can think of them like this. Core behavior for how your AI responds by default, clarification for when the user is unclear, product education for how you guide the users, problem solving for how you handle issues, escalation when the AI should stop, business rules for sensitive topics, and communication for the tone and the wording. But this is just a structure, you don't need to fill everything, especially if you are starting. Personally, what I recommend is to start with what matters most for your use case. So now let's create one instruction. You can click on New and then you give it a name and you write your instruction. Now this is the important part. Good instructions are short, clear and direct. For example, answer in under 3 sentences or ask for clarification if the request is unclear. You should avoid writing long paragraphs because if it's too long or too vague, it will not work. Once your instruction is ready, you can enable it here. And what's interesting is that every instruction has a direct impact. If you change something here, your AI behavior changes immediately. So don't hesitate to test it in the playground and adjust. Now, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can import instructions. You just click here and then import instructions. This allows you to upload a CSV file. And by the way, we actually built an amazing generator for helping you on that. You just have to answer a few questions about your business in, let's say, 8 minutes, and it creates a full set of instructions for you. It covers tone, behaviors, and boundaries. Then you download the file and import it here as I showed you. And you will see it's a super way to get started very quickly. And one last thing to keep in mind, instructions are here to define how your AI behave. When training, define what it should say. So for the best results, you want both, a good instructions and a good knowledge. That's it. Start simple, test your instructions and improve them over time. That's how you will get the best results. If you have any question, just ask us in the comments and I see you in the next one.